All right, I'm getting the progression ignition distributor installed here. We got the engine at 10 degrees before top dead center and the new distributor in. So I think now I got to go ahead and get the new cap on. I marked my position with a little piece of tape there, just so I know where it is after I put the cap on, because I'm gonna have to move the cap around a little bit. Don't got a lot of room back here to install the cap with this just like that. But we'll get that going. I'll hook wires up and we're gonna get close to firing this thing off. I'm gonna try to get this thing running on 10 degrees. We'll see. It does not like that. All right, I'm gonna enlist the help of my wife. I'm gonna get the time light on here and verify it is at 10 degrees. And if it is, I'll go ahead, download the app and start getting this thing set to where I need it to. Way quicker to do. I was only off a couple of degrees. It was on like 8. I got her set to 7. Thank you in there, for being gorgeous. And now I'm going to download the app and we're going to go ahead and we're going to set all of this up. Okay, I got this thing connected over. So it says I should be able to go ahead and generate table. My idle speed, I want to set to 1,000 RPM. That's where it seems to like it. I would like our idle timing to be at, I think we were at 20 degrees, so we'll keep it there. Max, I'll start with 34. All in at 3,000. I'll keep it at that right now. I'll rev limit it to, we'll say 7,200 to start with. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna generate table. Cool. And I should be able to go ahead and save. We'll name it something. Call it beginner 1, sure. Still cold, so the choke's on. Well, cool.